20 years passed. The prince became a shepherd. The palace became a memory. Sometimes God hides him, force
You still look toward Egypt sometimes.
Some things don't leave you. The desert trains what the palace never could. Patience. I will turn aside and see this great sight.
Do not come closer. Take off your sandals, for the place where you stand is holy ground. The affliction of my people in Egypt. I have heard their cry. I have come down to deliver them. I am sending you. What if they ask your name? I am who I am. The fugitive shepherd was chosen to confront a king.
Seasons, remind us that you still see us. Speak to us in our wilderness. Give us courage to